Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling CPU virtualization in BIOS because the emulator needs hardware acceleration for speed. Next, install Android Studio and include the SDK, platform tools, and emulator during setup. This supplies the official Google Play images. Once done, allocate at least 4 GB RAM and 10 GB disk for the SDK and AVD so the virtual device runs smoothly. Make sure to close other heavy programs while installing. Doing this reduces conflicts and ensures the emulator. You now open AVD Manager and create a new virtual device, picking a device profile that matches your screen needs. When selecting the system image, choose one explicitly labeled Google Play because only those include the Play Store app. Configure CPU and RAM, 2 CPUs and 2 GB RAM minimum, more if available, and set graphics to auto or hardware to improve rendering. Once the AVD is created, start it. Then sign in to the Play Store with your Google account to begin installing Android apps. You finish by opening the Play Store inside the running AVD and signing into your Google account, then install apps like you would on a phone. After installing, update Google Play services and app updates inside the emulator so permissions and APIs work correctly. If you want app shortcuts on your desktop, create them from the emulator or use drag-and-drop APK installs via a DB. If the Play Store is missing or crashes, wipe the AVD data or recreate the AVD. Also check for Hyper-V versus Intel Haxum conflicts and re-enable the proper accelerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.